Here I have BYD CLU, and let me show you how to use the air purification system in BYD cars. Let's begin. So basically, if you are the user of your BYD, you should find the similar system in front of you. And now, if you would like to find the air purification, all you need to do is find and select the AC control button. So in my case, it's in the middle of the screen, as you can see right here. Let's just tap it, and now I can control my temperature and other stuff. But I can also find this button in the left upper corner, as you can see, this green button. Let's just tap it, and as you can see right now, I just opened the air purification. So here I've got the information about PM 2.5 detection. PM 2.5 refers to tiny harmful particles in the air like smoke or dust. The car has sensors both inside and outside to measure the air quality in real time. So in my case it's excellent, but I can try to measure it one more time. Let me tap PM 2.5 detection. I just turn it off, but if I tap it again, the car will try to measure the air quality in real time. So it's excellent also. But if I still want to use the purifying mode, I can tap here purification. And right now the car is purifying the air, so it's amazing feature. Right now the vehicle activates the intensive filtration process. It quickly removes dust and pollutants, which is a game changer if you have allergies or if you are stuck in heavy traffic. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.